US President Donald Trump has said that Iran's enriched uranium must be destroyed immediately or handed over to the United States. His remarks came during ongoing ceasefire and peace negotiations between Washington and Tehran. Trump made the statement in a post on Truth Social. He said the uranium could either be brought to the US and destroyed or eliminated at another approved location under international supervision. The enriched uranium will either be immediately turned over to the United States to be brought home and destroyed or destroyed in place, Trump said. He added that the process could happen in coordination with the Islamic Republic of Iran. Trump also mentioned that an atomic energy authority would supervise the destruction process. The statement is being seen as a major development in the ongoing talks between the two countries. Iran has long refused to give up its enriched uranium stockpile. Tehran has maintained that its nuclear program is for peaceful purposes. However, Western countries feared that highly enriched uranium could be used to develop nuclear weapons if further processed. Trump also linked the peace talks to a wider diplomatic plan in the Middle East. He called for the expansion of the Abraham Accords. The Accords were first signed in 2020 to normalize relations between Israel and several Arab countries. Trump said countries involved in the current peace efforts should also join the Abraham Accords. He even suggested that Iran could become part of the agreement in the future. It would be an honor to have Iran sign on to the Abraham Accords, Trump said. He said the United States had worked hard to bring countries together and build peace in the region. Trump added that most countries taking part in the talks should support the accords. The United Arab Emirates and Bahrain are already members of the Abraham Accords. Trump said he hopes that Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Pakistan, Turkey, Egypt, and Jordan will also join. Meanwhile, negotiations between the US and Iran are continuing. Trump said the talks were progressing nicely. However, officials warned that reaching a final agreement could take time. According to reports, Iran's leadership is consulting through a complex chain of communication before making any final decision. The issue of enriched uranium remains one of the biggest challenges in the negotiations. Political analysts say Trump's comments show increasing pressure on Iran to limit its nuclear activities. At the same time, the proposal also signals possible diplomatic flexibility and the both sides. So far, Iran has not officially agreed to surrender its uranium stockpile or destroy it under international supervision. The talks are expected to continue in the coming days as both sides attempt to avoid further conflict and move towards a broader regional peace agreement. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.